According to the Ministry of Trade, Industry and Cooperatives, Uganda currently has an import duty of almost $800,000 in textile. At the end of the month of August, President Museveni banned the importation of used/second-hand clothes into the country because it hinders the development of local textile industries. He also said the clothes belonged to dead foreigners and Ugandans should not be excited to wear these clothes. The Trade Ministry has said they have resorted to visiting textile industries and also coming up with a policy as a way of enhancing the implementation of the President's directive.
We are assessing capacity of different factories. We are doing analysis, how many pairs of socks are we importing every year, how many pants are we importing, so that we inform the factories on building their capacities and planning, so that this issue of second-hand clothings become the thing of the past in a very near future, but done in a very systematic way, not to disrupt any processes. We are working out a policy on how to implement the directive of His Excellency the President to ensure that second-hand clothings become the thing of the past, and they can only be done when we know and we are sure that actually factories like Fine Spinners have the capacity to do that.
Honorable Bahati mentioned the measures the ministry has taken to help some textile industries, including Fine Spinners Uganda Limited, achieve high levels of productivity.
Fine Spinners is one of those companies that are getting electricity at 5 cents as part of the process of the policy that His Excellency the President directed that we should support large factories with affordable power to support their operations.
He also stated the challenges the textile industry is facing so far.
There are challenges of prices of raw materials through the journalists. There are challenges of the decline of the use of cotton clothing on our local market, and that needs actually sensitization of the population to ensure that people understand that when you are putting on a shirt made of cotton, you are much safer than somebody who's putting on a shirt made of something else.
State Minister Bahati said the factory has increased exports almost by $2 million using raw material, cotton. He and the Fine Spinners Uganda Limited marketing head, Nitin Arora, recounted benefits of using cotton as a raw material in developing the country.
The use of cotton helps us save the environment because the production, for example, of a t-shirt of cotton, you save 40 liters of water as opposed to polythene, which can eventually damage the environment.
Cotton and textile segment is one of the important segments which has been boosting the economy of various countries, be it Bangladesh, be it China, be it India. And Uganda has an economy which is now booming, and cotton and textile is playing an important role in it.
Arora added that the factory converts cotton from feeds to fashions, especially in European markets. He added that Uganda is succeeding in broadening its markets for textile products worldwide.
So it is a truly field to fashion model where we are adding a lot of value to cotton and we are converting it into finished garments. Our garments are sold all over the world, especially in European markets, and it is a delight that they are being produced in the heartlands of Uganda.
About 7 years ago, textile manufacturers Fine Spinners was handed the premises and assets formerly owned by Phoenix Logistics by government in a bid to add value to Uganda's cotton as well as boost the factory's textile production. Mary PRIMA Awar and Linda Dina for Church of Uganda Family TV, News at 8.